it is finally time. We are working on the guest room, not room, reorganization, decorating. We're just getting it done. Welcome to my chaotic mess. So today, for sure today, we're going to be working on getting this vacuumed out and getting it loaded with all the blankets and seasonal, like table runners, garden flags and stuff like that. I'm going to put in the drawers, blankets and stuff, and these things. Pillows will probably stay on top because at least 4 of them are going to go on the bed. And I think that leaves me with 4 if I counted right. So anyway, that is what our main goal for today is, to get this done, and we will see if we get further. One of the things that we are going to do, let me kind of move you. All right, so one of the other things I want to do is I'm going to take my bookcase out of here, and that's going to go into the office area. I'm also going to get my pajamas. I'm going to put them in my summer pajamas. I'm going to put in the cubbies that we have in our bedroom for the, it went to our wall tree, but we took the wall tree down when we flipped the living room. So the bottom part of the wall tree is in there at the foot of the bed, kind of like a bench to sit on, I guess. But I'll put my pajamas and my bathing suits in those because I don't want to have to come in here during the summer when my nephew is here to get my pajamas and stuff. I have to order curtains still. I have them on Amazon, but I wanted to check out like Walmart, Ollie's, Home Goods to see if I can find any that I like better for around the same price or cheaper. So, and then I call it the butt shaker. I actually don't know what the real term for it is. It's an exercise machine. It was my mom's. I am personally afraid to use it because of all my hip and back and neck problems, because it shakes you. So I don't want to quite get rid of it yet. I don't know if I'm going to get rid of it, but we are going to move it either back into the office / whatever the hell we're calling the other side, or I'm going to leave it in here and put it in the corner. I haven't decided yet. I haven't really even figured out how I want to lay out the room. Originally, we were going to have the bed on this wall, but I'm wondering if I should, no, that's not going to work. I'm thinking of mounting the TV, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking of mounting the TV on either this wall or maybe, I don't want to say behind the TV because that kid slams doors like no other. So, yeah. But anyway, we'll see what happens. My husband's going to put the headboard on the bed. Unfortunately, the frame for this particular bed that we currently have does not have a place for the footboard. So until we figure out how we can mount that, the footboard is probably just going to go behind the door. I don't know. But let's get into it.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I went by your house, what a big mistake. But for a while I thought that I wouldn't break. I need something else to clear my head. Someone to tell me how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Without any thought, I keep moving on. I don't even care if my soul is gone. So many words that I should have said. Not concerned about how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Nothing in life is good. Tied in this up.
Alright, guys. We are back in the guest room. As you can see, some things have changed quite a bit. We got curtains hung up, we got the bed put together. I have to make it still. Let me kind of just take you around real quick. Alright, so that's gonna stay the thing that we have the fan on. I need to get an extension cord to plug in behind the bed for his cell phone to be plugged into. And we're gonna make the bed today. That's the thing I have on my list to do. But one of the things we did was to give him more room. We put the TV over here on this wall. This little table here is going to be for like whatever gaming consoles or stuff he brought with him. We still need to put the doors on that. So we'll be doing that sometime this week probably. But we moved this in front of the closet. One, to give him, the main reason was to keep him from getting in the closet. He is 13 years old and I just don't need him in the closet. So second reason is to give him a little more room. So anyway, give me one moment. I just heard a noise right outside this window. We're gonna investigate. There's no one there. So yeah, we went ahead, we went to Walmart and I found the cheapest curtains I could find that would fit these windows. I went longer because when we move, I would like to be able to use them anywhere we live. I might go back and get another set so I have 2 panels per window, but that'll be later on. I'm not worried about if I can't find them again. I just won't worry about it. But they're also not darkening, so I figured if I got one more set, it'd be like scrunched up more and it'd make it a little bit darker. So in October, when my family comes down, my brother and sister-in-law, this room will be, we're gonna rearrange it again after the summer, because, you know, they don't play video games and walk around, and I just needed him to have more room, so that's why the bed is up against the wall and stuff like that. Anyway, let's get started. Alright guys, I know I didn't do a lot of voiceover in this video. I also wanted to get on here and say that this video was filmed 2 different days, and I honestly did not plan on matching the outfits. It is just a happy coincidence that I wore the exact same thing for both videos. But yeah, that's just, I was editing it and I was like, this was done like a week apart, if not more. So it's just a happy accident that we were dressed the same. But so yeah, this isn't that long of, well, it's 15 minutes, so I guess it is long, but it's not as long as my normal redo room, whatever videos. So anyway, as of now, it is July 1st, and our guest is afraid of my dog, so he is still not here. We're going to try this weekend. I mean, he's at my mother-in-law's and my dad's house, so we're going to try this weekend to see if he can get along with the dog yet again, and if not, then sadly he's just not going to be here this summer, and it's on him because he got along with Stitch every other year, so I don't understand why this year is such a big deal. But anyway, I want to go ahead and thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.